case vending
suitable
machine.
for applicable scenarios, malls, shopping center, amusement parks, pedestrian street. How to DIY phone case.
We are the source manufacturer. Chuanbo Technology, dedicated to provide superior performance products for the global market. Based on China to serve the global market, widely praised by customers. Support personalized customization. OEM supports the sale of 81 categories with a capacity of about 560. First step, select your phone case model. Transmit pictures and adjust the printing ratio. And select payment method, credit card, cash coin, QR code. Automatic printing, wait for about 1-3 minutes. Customized phone case is ready. Complete, send out the pickup port. Take it out, put the mobile phone case base holder into the recycling bin. Chuanbo Technology in the world, intelligent science and technology, create huge economy, revenue benefit fast project to realize the value of cash.